John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about why I give away so much free advice. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos almost every day. And make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps. John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm the author of Estate Planning for the Modern Family and was recently voted one of the top lawyers here in Cobb County, along with the law firm being voted one of the top law firms here in Cobb County, Georgia. Today, we're going to talk about why I give away so much free advice. The reason I'm doing this video is because I had a person come to my office last week because they wanted me to be the person who did their estate planning for them. What I learned from them was that they drove over an hour and a half away to meet me, and quite frankly, that's not odd for us. We have people drive from all over the state to come to our office for us to do their estate planning. But this person said something very interesting in that she said she had done quite a bit of research on estate planning, and she was astonished at just how much free advice we give away. In fact, she said she researched many lawyers before she came to us, and she discovered that most of them were the opposite of us. They kept their knowledge to themselves, and those that did give away free advice did very little of it compared to us. She said, considering the amount of free advice we give away, the other lawyers appeared to give away no advice. This made me wonder because I've never really thought about it, but how much free advice am I giving away, and why am I giving away so much free advice? So I went back to do a little research about how we give free advice away, and then I'm going to explain why I do. First off, I realized that unlike a lot of estate planning attorneys, I don't charge for consultations. In my consultations, people can come in and ask me any estate planning question they want. After all, it's free, so ask away. Over the last 4 weeks, I spent about 10 hours a week at these consultations giving away free advice. That's about 40 hours a month that I don't charge people for my advice. Second, we give out free advice on this YouTube channel. We put out new videos almost every day, and we try to be entertaining and educational. As of today, these videos have been seen over 46,000 times, and over the last month, people have spent about 35 hours watching them. So between the free consultations and the free videos here on YouTube, we're giving away about 75 hours of advice a month. Third, my book. A few years ago, I wrote a book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family. While the book isn't free on Amazon, it can be free if you come in for a consultation. I'll usually give them away if people ask for them at the consultations. It's difficult to know how much time people spend reading it, but it will tell you everything you need to know about estate planning in Georgia. Fourth, although I have a physical book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family, I have digital books or e-books that I give away for free. I've done a number of them over the years, but I think you can get a comprehensive guide to estate planning and a guide on the different types of trusts here in Georgia, and you can get them for free by going to my website. These ebooks have a ton of information in them, and they're available to everyone. Finally, my website. I have a lot of blogs on my website that contain tons of free information on wills, trusts, and the probate process. In fact, it's one of the more popular ways people find me. They'll go to Google, searching for a particular topic on estate planning, and my website pops up because odds are I've written about whatever they're searching for. So altogether, I've realized I actually give away a lot of free advice, just like this person suggested. So then I wondered, why am I doing that? Why am I giving away my knowledge for free? Other lawyers aren't, so why should I? Well, it comes down to the way I make a living as an estate planning lawyer. I make a living by doing the things I talk about, not teaching the things I talk about. I do it really well, and I want people to realize if they are getting value from the free advice I'm giving, imagine the value you'll get by hiring me, and then we deliver that value. So I don't mind giving away so much free advice because, in the end, the people that hire me get a lot of value from the work I do, and they tell their friends about it. Maybe that's why I'm consistently voted one of the best attorneys here in the county, regardless of the practice area. And maybe that's why the law firm's voted one of the best law firms in the county, regardless of practice area. That's really all we have to talk about today. If you've watched our videos for any amount of time, then you know what we do is we help people plan their estates. To do that, we've created a book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family. You're going to want to get a copy of this book, so I'm putting a link in the description below so you can order it online. It will tell you all about wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and the probate process. It also comes with a bonus. The bonus is if you have trouble sleeping at night, you can read it and it will get you right to sleep, so make sure you read it in the morning. If you want to learn a little bit more about the firm or maybe schedule a free consultation for yourself, give us a call at 678-809-4922. That's 678-809-4922. I'm also putting a link in the description below so you can reach out to us to schedule that free consultation. All right, that's all we have for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out new videos almost every day. And make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps.